Here's a quick video on how to replace your battery in your Tile Sport. You're going to need one 2032 battery. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. I'll take it straight there. And the flattest, smallest flat tip screwdriver you can find. So basically what you want to do is this back portion will come up here, but you need to kind of dig your screwdriver into this seam right here. It's probably best if you're wearing gloves because it's very easy to jab yourself, and nobody wants that. So just kind of work your way into the center there and pry it out. These come from the factory glued. So there's some dead battery. Pop that one out. It's also glued in there. See the glue there. Take your new one, place it in positive side facing downward. Alright, so clip that back in like that. And this is going to go right here. Okay, and you're all back together. Hope that was helpful. If it was, make sure you hit the thumbs up button.